In this video today, I'm going to be changing the oil on this 2013 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport. It has a 2.4 liter direct injected engine and it's the non-turbo version. We're going to be using the AMSOIL 15K20 oil filter and the AMSOIL XL 5W20 motor oil. And I'm going to be taking the lower skid plate off the plastic cover. That's not required, but I'm going to be doing the transmission fluid later, which will be required to do that. So with that cover off, you can also see a little bit better. Here's the oil filter. There's normally an access door right here. Here's our oil pan and plug. It's a 17 millimeter. There's normally an access door right here as well. Okay, let's crack our oil drain bolt. It's a 17. We aimed pretty good on that one that time. Alright, that's pretty much drained. Let's put our plug back in. Snug. Okay, switching to the oil filter. I do have an AMSOIL oil filter wrench. They sell them for their filters. Got our new oil filter. I'm going to add a little bit of oil in it. So let me know in the comments whether you're pro pre-filling filters or against it. I've lubricated the O-ring. Let's put that on. And then if you're using the wrench, do a quarter turn tight or just hand tighten it as tight as you can with one hand. Quarter turn. Let's wipe it. Yeah, I'm just gonna get a little bit more by hand, and that should be lots. Okay, so the fill volume on this is 4.6 liters. So right around 5 quarts. I'm gonna use the AMSOIL disposable paper funnels, which makes things easier. Add 1 full gallon. I'm going to check for leaks, and then I'm going to add another quart. Okay, so we've added another quart. I'm going to check the level, but the car's still on ramps, so once we're off the ramps, we're going to do a final check. I'm going to put a link down below to the oil and oil filters, and if you purchase from those links, you're supporting the channel and helping me make more videos for you guys, so thank you.